Okay, we'll do a quick termination here. Strip off your yellow jacket to the required length. Now the bending here might cause you a bit of grief, so I usually go back and forth a few times, loosens it up. If you've got a heat gun, it's ideal. But as you can see, this method doesn't look too bad. So it's a lot straighter now. So a bit of a strip, yeah. Throw in your heat shrink protector. There we go. And I usually strip about 30 mil just in front of the dots there. Just to test the fibre out, go to the middle hole first, if you can see the middle hole. Feel the resistance of the actual 900 micron coating, and just slowly pull that out. Should come off nicely. There we go. If you look closer, you can see the clear buffer on the fibre there, and then the actual fibre that we want to clear. We've got our alcohol here, as appropriate. Listen for the squeak. Nice and clean. Then we'll put it into our cleaver. And once you have a nice cleave, be sure not to touch the end of that fibre there. You can see the end, don't touch the end. A nice and clean 90-degree cleave. And you can see here, we'll just zoom in nicely. And you can now, we want to line it up just shy of the electrodes. So we just angle it in. Yeah, it just comes back from that middle section of the electrodes. Close our lid. Prepare the next side. We put the other side in with the same rule, just shy of the electrodes. Be sure not to touch the other fibre that's in there. Make sure it's nice and straight. Tip in first, angled down, just shy. Now once they have each side in its rubber side there, the little holders, we can close the lid and it should just automatically start to the splicing function. For alignment, we'll bring it together. And if everything's good, we'll proceed. And there we go, 0.02 loss. Does the tensile test as soon as we open that lid. Pulls the fibres apart. Now we want to move the completed splice into the heating bay. So open the lid up. Now this unit is on full auto, so as soon as we close this heating bay, it starts the heating process. We've opened it, so it started the preheat process. Now, to put this heat shrink splice protector on, we just want to keep the tension to the left, this side, open one side up. Now we hold this side, just keeping that left hand pressure. Now this is my method, you might have a different method, but keep that pressure there, just open up and it should just pop out. There you go. So you kept that pressure on. So you slide that on using this edge there till it's in the center. A little bit of persuasion there. Done, right in the center. Now when we drop this in, it'll start. There you go, let that go. Close this one up. Let it go through its heater process and just watch the screen there. That's the heating complete. Now the cool down time. Make sure you let that fully cool down. You'll see the countdown. Okay. And that's it. Now we can rack this one up into your enclosure. Splice complete.